Hi guys!
Hi!
So I'm Madame, I'm the founder of Sparkle Lifestyle and Medispa, and I'm with?
I'm Alexandra, I'm the lead medical esthetician here at Sparkle Lifestyle and Medispa.
So today we decided to do a Q&A. It's completely live, and Alex have no idea what kind of question I'm going to ask her. So together I'm sure we'll be able to find the answer.
Yeah.
We did pick most of the question from you guys because you sent us question, and we had some question about body contouring in general, SculpSure, Vela Shape. So that's what we're going to talk about, and a little bit of nutrition there. So the first question we got was, does SculpSure or any treatment could help with the arms?
Yes, so it really depends obviously what's going on there. So if you do have a stubborn fat area that whatever that you're doing, like nutrition, exercising, and it's not working, yes, we can definitely help. But if you do have a lot of loose skin because you lost a lot of weight, unfortunately that might not be the best treatment. But there's some skin tightening for that type of client.
Yeah, and some people, like I said, if you have fat on your arms, but I think you're stuck with fat all over your body, I would probably look into losing weight in general, or just looking at your lifestyle and nutrition before we jump into like that type of treatment. But if that part of your body doesn't match the rest of your body, that I can understand, and yes, we have option. And like she mentioned, if my mask is just keep gliding. If you have like loose skin or extra skin, that's where surgery is better. But we do have the Vela Shape that we can use, and that will help for maybe just a loss of collagen and lasting over years, or maybe like if you have that dimpling, a speck of cellulite on your arm, that also could be an option. But like she mentioned, if you have extra skin, we need to look at it to really give you like real expectation and what's worth it. And that's the whole point of a consultation, right?
Yes.
And when you come in, like you're gonna meet me or Alex or the technician, we're gonna assess completely your trouble area, and then we will be able to kind of refer you to maybe the right person or give you what could be like real expectation coming in here.
Exactly. And weirdly, like I just had that in mind, I had a client that was a diabetic, so she was injecting herself in her arms, and obviously diabetic person inject themselves every single day, every like few hours. So unfortunately, because of that, it does like a little bump on their skin. So I was able with the Vela Shape to smooth out that bump. So that's something that obviously nobody knows probably, but it's something that's achievable with the Vela Shape, and we have really good results from that.
Yeah, no, that's it. Good to know, right? Different thing. So another one was, is it permanent in terms of results?
So that's the biggest question, I think. So basically, when we are coming for body contouring, like obviously cellulite type of treatment, unfortunately, no, it's not permanent. Why? Because I guess like more than 90% of women have cellulite, and it's kind of in their DNA, unfortunately, is the way that our body is. She will be more able to really explain you like how the skin works. But when it comes to body contouring, like to have really fat reduction, yes, it's permanent.
Yeah, so like she exactly said it right, where Vela Shape, technically it's a boost of collagen, a boost of elastin, it improved the lymphatic drainage, and improves the circulation also. So yes, it does reduce the appearance of cellulite, but cellulite is kind of permanent technically because it's a condition that you have, it's genetic, sorry, but that's what it is. It sucks, but it's, we all have it. So yes, we can improve the appearance of cellulite. We can't remove it completely. That's why you have to come back every 3, 4, 6 months down the road, depending on your lifestyle, right? But when we destroy a fat cell, that's where it's permanent, because you're born with a certain amount of fat cell, and those fat cells cannot come back. They don't work that way. So, and that's the benefit. But I mean, if you go back home, you eat crap, you don't exercise, and you're not paying attention, I mean, the other fat cells can get bigger, and that we can't stop. So there's no treatment ever out there that will replace healthy diet and exercise, right? And if you compare it to liposuction, same thing. Like it's not it's permanent if you keep eating right and paying attention. So that would be our answer for, as body contouring is permanent.
Yeah.
Okay. And a popular question that we have also is to explain the difference between SculpSure and Coolsculpting. And do you want me to answer that, or you feel confident?
I know a little bit about Coolsculpting. I know the biggest difference is like sculpture is really with heat, and Coolsculpting is from freezing the skin. I know the biggest difference is we have a true laser that goes right into your fat cells, nothing around. Compared to the Coolsculpting, it will grab like your fat and it will suck in, like, I know it's a machine, a handpiece, and it will freeze everything that it grabs basically. So that is muscle, nerves, veins, everything. That's what I kind of know.
And in our case, the reason why we decided to get the SculpSure over to Coolsculpting was, first, yes, the side effects are less with SculpSure in general than Coolsculpting. There's just less risk and all that. And we felt that most of the clients that would come here, we really promote healthy diet, exercise, and that lifestyle. And we just have tendency to work with people that just have like that stubborn area of their body. It's usually more like a, an all over type of place. And it's nice that we can really combine the SculpSure with the Velashape because they both use heat. So we can combine like the results from skin tightening with the fat reduction, which was really what we wanted to achieve here. Versus Coolsculpting, I'm not saying that Coolsculpting is not good, doesn't work or anything. Seriously, it's a different technology. The results are really good also. But if you're asking me like what would be the difference, like if you're looking for a lot of fat all over, like let's say you have like your big belly, big sides, and you're looking for a big quantity, like, and something that will truly come, like if you want to remove brick of fat, technically, I would say that actually Coolsculpting can be a good option where, well, SculpSure, it's more designed towards like, like stubborn area, like more like a softer look and improving the quality of your skin. So it really depends on, your expectation, what you're looking for. It's just for us, SculpSure fit a little bit better what we were looking, and the risk and side effect was also a big factor that I preferred SculpSure. But again, like I think we're both really transparent when it comes to that. If you're coming in and you're not sure, like you heard about liposuction, or you're interested, or maybe you had it before and you heard about Coolsculpting, you heard about SculpSure, Velashape, and all that, and you may be a little bit confused about it all. Like seriously, that's one thing I think we're good. We prefer having people that are satisfied, happy, that will share, a good story, than maybe taking on client that we don't feel that would be a good candidate for those, and then we would be more than happy to refer someone that can offer like surgery, tummy tuck, liposuction, Coolsculpting, like things like that. I think with time, with experience, with people that we know, we can definitely refer to the right person for the right treatment. So I think seriously, like it's a big decision, right? It's a big investment, and we understand that. So I just wanted to mention that. Yeah, I'm good. Awesome. Then, we had a quick question about the difference between Velashape and SculpSure. I think it's common when people are confused. Quickly, SculpSure, it's all about fat, permanent fat reduction, and Velashape, it's all about cellulite, skin tightening, body contouring, improving the results from the SculpSure, but it's not permanent. So it would be something that you would have to come for your initial treatment, and then you would maintain your results as you go.
Yeah.
And I will answer to that one. It's like what needs to be done after your treatment, or how fast you see the results. Well, the first thing, like Alex will tell you, and she's gonna bug you about it, is you need to drink a lot of water, and it's serious. Like we've seen the difference. Like if you're eating healthy, drinking water, you're massaging, you're exercising, not because you need to lose weight to get results, not at all. All this speed up your metabolism and improve how fast you're gonna get your results and the quality of your results. So we see a huge difference. So you need to eat well, move, massage, drink water. You need to get rid of that toxin, you know what I mean? And also, like if you're like, I don't know, on a lot of medication and all that, you just need to be healthy in general to do those treatments. That will speed up. And in some cases, I do work with Alex or any technician that will do the treatment with giving you like a nutrition plan or a fitness plan that will really improve your results. And I think that's where we're a little bit different, where we can actually look at your lifestyle and what you eat and really like kind of address the problem from the root, and not just kind of take your money and then you go back home, and in a couple of years you have to come back because the fat is back. So that's our goal there, to really help you at that
And just like FYI, maybe we don't want you to like be on a strict diet and like exercise 7 days a week and stuff like that. You still need to live basically, because we just want like a healthier lifestyle, like better habits, better everything, basically.
Because it's in life in general, and losing weight and all that. I think sometimes people go with the black and white attitude a little bit too much, and then whatever thing you're trying to do, and if there's an expiration date, like you're kind of you're leading for success to failure, right? Because you want to put like small habit that you can kind of maintain forever. So that's important. Good point. And so that was kind of like the price. Actually, that was the last one. The price of body contouring, and obviously it's a big question. And I would say seriously, I mean, it all depends on how many treatment, the size of the treatment plan that we're gonna come up together. Are you looking for nutrition, fitness coaching? Like, I mean, it can be, as you can hear, it can be anywhere from $250 to like $5,000, right? Like it's hard to say an exact price. But realistically, I would say that you kind of need to have in mind, I would say $2,000. I think if you have in mind, okay, it's going to be $2,000, that's like a starting point. We can do something that really, really nice with that. We can combine technology. We can look into nutrition coaching. I think that would be a real, look for that. And then from there, it can be higher depending on if you want to add more area or other things, or maybe it could be a little less depending on, we can budget that. And from there, a lot of our clients decide to do like payment plan or, payment plan, I would say. Payment plan, membership, that's kind of, so, we can kind of look at options that would fit your budget and lifestyle, time frame and all that. So, but I think that's a good, kind of aiming for the middle there. Yeah. And does it work? Well, it's working. Yes, it does work. It's proven. All our technology have been researched, have been proven. There's clinical studies for everything that we offer here. If you truly want to see how much micron, the thickness of the skin improve it after a series of Velashape, I have all those studies if you're nerdy like me. But yes, no, all the technology that we do offer here at Sparkle work, proven. But yes, if you come here and you eat cheeseburger non-stop for 12 weeks after your treatment, like, you may not see the results. So the work, we need to put the energy, we need to do it, we need to do the treatment, but you still have some kind of homework to do at home if you want to see the results that you could get from the treatment. Yeah. Would that make sense?
Yeah. So, it makes total sense.
Yeah. I guess they work as much as you're ready to put your own effort into them.
That's why you need to come for a consultation, and we'll really analyze everything, and then we make like a plan and tell you like what's realistic or not.
And that's the whole point of a consultation, right? Like it's ready to sit down and discuss like your goal, need, what you're ready to do. Because there's some people that would come here and they're expecting like a magic wand, and it's not it, right? Like it's nice, but it's not a magic wand. So perfect. So thank you so much for your question. I think they were all good questions. And so if you have any question about anything, like last week was about enlarged pore, I think that went well. So if you have any subject that you would like us to cover, comment below about body contouring, reach out to me, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.